Vomit. You so vibey, you so vibe, you so vibey. She so vibey, she so vibe, she so vibey. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with another glam DIY to share with you. We're going to do some candle holders and some other little decor to refresh for spring and summer 2020. Yes. And these are the items here that we'll be using for today's DIY, and they are things from Walmart, the Dollar Tree, and things from Amazon too. Yes, online shopping. That's what we have to do now. Alright everyone, if it's your first time here, go ahead and press that subscribe button and also press the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY to share with you. Alright everyone, you know what time it is. It's time to let's get started. Alright everyone, we're going to start with this glass candle holder from the Dollar Tree. We are going to decorate it with some crushed glass that we got here from Michaels, and also some Mod Podge. Now, I didn't realize that my battery died while I was doing this part, and I kept filming because I thought I was recording, so that clip is gone. But anyways, here is the crushed glass all dried. I just added it with the Mod Podge and everything, and now it's all dry. So now I'm going to add some glitter to it, some silver glitter, to make it a little bit more shiny. And then we'll put it aside to let it dry. Alright, now we have our taller vase, also from the Dollar Tree. And I got this nice bling wrap here from Amazon. Yeah, it's nice and glittery, and it feels like little stones. It's nice. Now to put this on, we have to use E6000, no hot glue. E6000, because the background of it is plastic. So if you put the hot glue, it just melts. So you have to use some E6000 or any other adhesive that you would like to use. Yes, remember I always tell you, use whatever adhesive you would like to use, just don't use the hot glue. Yeah. And we're also placing it along the top. Now for our next DIY. We have right here, I'm using these strips that I got from Walmart. They're similar, it's a similar wrap to the larger one that I got from Amazon. And this one, the adhesive is very nice. As long as you're putting it on glass, it sticks like a glove. So I'm just gonna put it going all the way around. And now I'm placing the other strip that came in the package in the center of my vase. And now that we're all done with that, the open space that we have, we're going to put some silver glitter and some rose gold glitter. Yes, we'll be using the Mod Podge. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the Mod Podge in, and then I'll be mixing the silver and the rose gold glitter together within the glue. I find that when you put the glitter on this way, you have less foliage and it holds better to whatever project you're putting it on. So I like mixing it like this and then applying it to my project. That way you don't have that much of a glitter mess. Mix it thick, not thick that it can't move, but mix it thick and kind of paste it on, because you could see the glitter going onto your project. Kind of paste it on as you go, and then we are going to leave it, let it dry for a few hours or dry overnight. I prefer to let it dry overnight. Alright everyone, it is the next day. And see here, it's all dry and it's nice and shiny and no foliage. And I'm just going to add this little candle holder to the bottom because I don't want it flat on the surface. I want it to have a little lift. So I'm just going to use some hot glue. Again, use any adhesive that you'd like to use and glue it down. Yeah. And I have this candle holder here that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna bling it out. Just decorate it nice and easy, going all the way around, and the bottom and the middle and everything. I'll be decorating it to give it a nice glam look. Now I'll be adding some glam to the bottom. You know, like I always tell you, you could buy these nice little cheap items from the dollar store and just bling them up and make them look like something you've bought out of the Z Gallery. Yes. And you have a nice decor for your home on a nice and easy low budget. Yes. And as I always say, here is our finished look. 3 nice candle holders and one a little storage vase. I'm gonna show you what I will be putting in it coming up. But 4 lovely fresh decor for spring 2020, and they are cheap. Yes, they are easy for your budget, easy on your pocket. Very nice items to help glam up your home. Yeah, on the low. Yes, on the low. And I think they turned out nice. I love this bling wrap. Oh, and I did this one here. I forgot to mention that. This is another one I did, is the candle holders from the Dollar Tree. Same way, I used the bling wrap from Amazon and from Walmart. And just decorated that with the silver candle holder. And I think it looks very nice. I think they all look very nice. Even the black one that I decorated and just placed the candle on top. See how nice and elegant that looks with just the candle on top. And the other 2 I kept clear because I wanted a nice clean and crisp look. I think it looks so attractive. Very nice. Clean and clear and nice. And this is what I wanted for my container here. I want it to hold my converters. Yes, I made a silver one a few years ago, and I've had that about 2-3 years now, and I wanted something different. So like I told them, adding color this summer, I made a rose gold little container for my converters, and here it is on the coffee table. I think it looks very nice with the other rose gold items that I have on there. It looks absolutely beautiful. I really like how it turned out. Alright everyone, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's DIY. Yeah. And like I always say, if it's your first time here, press that subscribe button. Yeah, and hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY. And to my oldies and goodies, thank you so much for coming on and seeing today's DIY. And as always, stay blessed from Petal is Blessed, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.
You so vibey, you so vibe, you so vibey. She so vibey, she so vibe, she so vibey.